Hey guys, this is Danielle with WTI here, and I have my new Happy Camper cup from Dock and Stow, and let me tell you, I am a happy camper with this cup. It is so awesome. Right now it is actually filled up with water and some Gatorade, and I wanted to show you. That's how confident I am in this cup. It is not a promise that it's completely sealed, but I've honestly tested this thing and it holds water in or liquids in pretty well. You hear that right there? That is ice that has been here for hours. This has even been tested overnight and it worked so well. I woke up and my water was still cold, and same with coffee. This thing keeps your coffee so incredibly hot. I like that the print on the cup is actually printed on the cup. It's not like a label that's been put on there. So the quality is better when it comes to washing. I don't have to be as delicate with it, which is important when I'm camping. I would highly recommend hand washing this, and that would be the only thing I would say. But this cup has stood up and I am so in love with it. I highly recommend it, but that's just my point of view.